Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Hello everyone. My name is Abdul Latif Isaji, currently the Managing Director of First Community Bank, a fully fledged Islamic bank offering banking services based on Islamic Sharia. I've just had a wonderful chat with a number of you. We touched on a number of issues. Quite a number of people wanted to know what is Islamic banking, and in summary, it simply means doing business without engaging in the giving or receiving of interest. As Islamic banks, we are traders, basically traders and investors. We make our money through provision of services and financing of trade where we make profit, as well as go into joint ventures with our customers on a profit-loss sharing basis. Concern was raised whether Islamic banks are only there for Muslims. No, we are a community bank. It is open to all people of different faiths, so long as they are happy and comfortable with the mode with which we do our business. As a bank here in Kenya, we are all 4 years old, and we are as old as Islamic banking in Kenya, despite the fact that Islamic banking has been operating in the world for more than 40 years now. Issues were raised on pricing. We offer products based on different contracts. We have contracts where we come in joint ventures, where we come in as partners, others cost plus, as well as investments. In terms of return to depositors, we said that Islamic banks do not offer fixed rates of return, but expected rates depending on the performance of the bank. Where the bank goes beyond its target, depositors are very happy because they receive much more than what was quoted for them. I was very happy to be with you. I believe I have added to some extent on the knowledge of Islamic bank, and also probably clean the cobwebs where people feel that Islamic banks are only for Muslims. We are a Kenyan bank, and the bank is here for Kenyans. Thank you very much.